your new debt. Don't worry, there's a way to take you out of the red and into a more secure financial place. It's simple and it starts with your home. Ideal Home Loans is the preferred mortgage provider of the Colorado Rockies. And ready to serve you is Brent Ivinson, who is here to share a little more. All right, mortgage rates, that seems to be on everyone's mind right now. Where are they at?
Well, they're good. You know, we've got rates at 4.5%. So this is at some of the lowest levels we've seen in over a year. And again, this was not a dip that we expected to see. This was a very unexpected drop, and really has to do with a lot of what went on economically. But if you're looking at refinancing, if you're looking at buying, this benefits both of those people.
Everyone loves that. Anytime there's a benefit, they're like, yes. I will say, though, I keep looking, and some show really high, some low. I mean, what's real, what's not? How do you know what you're getting is what you need?
Well, you've got to look at the fine print. You know, you see a lot of stuff advertised out there, and, you know, the latest that we see is, hey, a lot of people talking about 15-year rates. They just don't mention that that's a 15-year term as well. And a lot of people can't afford a 15-year term. So you've really got to look at the fine print. More importantly, you've got to take an approach of what it is you're trying to accomplish, and then let us go to work to help you get there and customize a mortgage that works for you.
Now, when it comes to a current loan, a lot of people are always saying, I want to know where the bottom of the market is. I don't know how to figure that out. Do you know how to figure that out?
It's very hard to do. So here's what we've done. You know, we're going to have you take a very realistic approach to this process. If it benefits you right now to take advantage of interest rates, do it. Put that money in your pocket, because it's much more likely rates will go up than come back down. Now, if they do go back down, if they go down by 0.75% within 2 years of doing a home loan with us, we will refinance your existing mortgage with no lender fees, so you can take advantage of falling interest rates. So you're guarded against them going down. You're going to take advantage of it, but lock in, because they're much more likely to go up than they are to go down.
That is such a nice thing, too, because a lot of people are worried about that. They're thinking, I don't know if I want to do it now. Maybe I'm going to wait, and if I wait, maybe I can save money. And you're saying, hey, it's okay. We're going to waive some of these fees, so if that's the case, we're going to still help you out. This is the number to call, 303-867-7000. Go ahead and give them a call right now. Now, this says new mortgage is not, the payment wouldn't be due until April. That seems crazy. It seems so far away.
Your new payment won't be due until tax season, so it is. And it's just the timing and the way it works out. And, you know, look, I know a lot of people have those holiday bills rolling in right now. That timing works out really, really well, because the mortgage is the biggest expense in most households.
That seems to be the gift that keeps on giving, isn't it? When you get those credit card statements. We had a wonderful holiday for a lot of people, and then those credit cards come in. You actually, though, can help a lot of people with that.
Well, we can. You know, what really frustrates everybody about credit cards is this, it's the way the interest is calculated. You are paying anywhere between 18 and 34%. So it's really hard to get ahead. We're not saying stretch it out over 30 years, okay? We're going to show you how to put it into your home loan, but pay your house off more quickly, put money in your savings account, get rid of your credit cards, and then lower the effective interest rate on all of your debt and get ahead financially everywhere.
Everyone likes that. Getting ahead is the key. Resetting that home loan that you have now. A lot of people don't want to refinance. They're scared to go out there because they are scared of, they've said, hey, I've already worked and paid off a certain amount. I don't want to have to restart.
Right. And you don't have to. That's the great thing. So gone are the days where you have to borrow money like our parents did, right? You know, where you had to pick from a 30-year or a 15-year or a 10-year. We can completely customize the term of your mortgage. So if you are somebody, for example, who is 12 years into your 30-year loan, we can give you a new home loan for 18 years, so you stay on track to pay your house off as scheduled originally, but take advantage of that lower rate, which means lower payment along the way.
You have some wonderful clients, as you would sit here and talk about all day if we let you, and they're very, very happy. Let's go ahead and hear about one of them.
When we called Ideal Home Loans, we were welcomed, we were greeted really nicely. We sat down, went through everything for the refinance, tons of questions. With Ideal Home Loans, we were not rushed. The rate and everything was much lower than any of the other lenders here in Denver that we had experienced with. Ideal Home Loans came back obviously the best deal, the best service, and that is why we're here and would recommend anybody to Ideal Home Loans.
303-867-7000. That's the number to call right now if you'd like to go ahead and talk about a free consultation regarding your mortgage or even a new one. So another great gift people are getting after the first of the year, right? Explain that process.
Well, you know, with rates being lower, so here's the thing. The gift you're getting is, if you're looking at refinancing your $250,000 mortgage, your payment today is about $119 a month cheaper than it would have been just 6 weeks ago. If you're looking at buying a house, okay, you qualify for $22,000 more in home thanks to lower interest rates. So lower rates really do make a huge impact for consumers, but you've got to take advantage of them while they're here before they go back up.
Oh, absolutely. And it's to have someone who's always watching them like you is the key. Now, your lending specialists are actually salaried. Why is that important?
Well, you know, we have hundreds of people who call our office every month, and everybody has a very different scenario. And we want you to be able to talk openly about what your short-term and your long-term goals are. And we don't want them compensated on one product or another. They're paid to listen and then put together a solution and help you out. And that's why we pay them a salary.
That's why you can sit here all day and talk about your happy clients.
That's right.
All right. Call 303-867-7000 now to schedule your free mortgage consultation. Receive a step-by-step plan to a lower mortgage. Your first new payment not due until April, folks. The number again, 303-867-7000. Learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's interview and